Hey guys, about to take the last train. We just got into Zermatt and now we're on our fourth train today. We're going to the top of the mountain, up to the Kulmhotel, and this is the Gornergrat Bahn. This is the coolest one because it goes straight up the mountain. It takes about 40 minutes, and it's snowing really heavily outside right now.
尊敬的乘客朋友们，欢迎您乘坐格尔内格拉特管公司的火车，并祝您旅途愉快。本日はゴンナグラット鉄道をご利用いただきありがとうございます。
Oh yeah, it's so thick, look. Made it. How are you doing, Nancy?
Oh, it's really cold.
It's cold. We're over 10,000 feet and we're going to the top now. Some beautiful surroundings, beautiful view. Uh-oh.
Why is it moving?
I don't know.
Calm down.
If it breaks down, you got a long walk. Wow.
This is our palace.
The hotel.
How do you roll?
Let's go.
It's the things you put me through. Your check-in house, yeah, boy.
We're here in Gornergrat. This is about a 40-minute train ride above Zermatt, which is about a 3.5-hour train ride from Zurich, the Zurich airport. So we are at one of the highest, we are at the highest hotel in the Alps, and one of the highest hotels in the world. You can see in the background over here, we've got the Matterhorn, which stands over 15,000 feet high in elevation. So actually, it's our second time coming to Switzerland. Last time we stayed just down below in the town called Zermatt and had an incredible time, and we visited the Gornergrat at the time, and we wanted to come up here. And the last time we came up, we saw this hotel, which is over 100 years old, made out of stone, and it has a big telescope on the top, and we'll show you a couple clips of it. But we were just like, how cool would it be to stay there? So we ended up getting this suite, which is really cool. And
my question.
What's that?
My husband thought it would be really cool to stay here.
Yeah, she was a little bit apprehensive, so I had to convince her. So basically we did a trip where she picked one spot, I picked another spot. This was my spot.
In the middle of nowhere.
It's in the middle of nowhere. But it's very cool. The views are they're amazing. They're so incredible here. And we love Switzerland. It's the food is so good here, and they have all their cheeses and the meats and just all sorts of good food. Cooking up here, this hotel is a little over 10,000 feet high in elevation. So the first night you kind of probably makes it a little bit hard to sleep. So you might either want to acclimate one night in Zermatt below or just take a night to acclimate, which is kind of what we did. You don't really sleep that well the first night. But anyway, highly recommend coming up here. We just kind of want to tell you about our experience here and maybe compare also when we came to Switzerland earlier on our honeymoon just under 2 years ago.
And at our honeymoon, we stayed at the Alpenhof, and that was a really nice hotel. The food was amazing, and it was kind of in the middle of town. So when you walk out, you're very close to all these little shops in Zermatt, and you're by the train, and so it's kind of very different than this hotel at Gornergrat. This hotel is like really isolated. It's by itself. There's nothing but mountains around it, but at the same time, the view is spectacular. Yeah.
So yeah, most of the hotels are in Zermatt, and you can walk around and go shopping. You can always take the train down from here, and then there's nothing but amazing skiing all around. So you can just, walk out of the hotel here and jump on your skis and go straight down the hill. So
It's about a 40-minute train ride.
yeah, the train takes 40 minutes. Zermatt's at about 5,200 feet elevation. This hotel's at 10,200, so it's another mile up, and it pretty much just goes straight up the mountain. So really, really cool experience. One of my favorite places, and so that's why we're back.
Yeah. Now I have to say, I think the Alpenhof's food was better.
I think it's a little bit harder to cook at really high elevation, but I think the food here is very good as well.
Yeah.
So I don't think you can go wrong anywhere.
It's good here. The food in Alpenhof is good.
It was very, very good.
Can you tell which hotel I like better?
Can you tell which one I like better?
Yeah.
Actually, they're both great. So.
Yeah. That's it.